Hello, and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today I just wanted to tell you a little story. Did you ever come home from work and you look in the refrigerator and you look and there's nothing in there to eat? So you have to open up your freezer door and there's exactly what you want, because you've been dying for some chicken legs all day long, but it's none thawed out. See, they're just hard as a rock. So you got a problem unless you've got a FOODi DELUXE. And if you got a FOODi, your problem is solved. So I'll show you how it works here. This is another one of those good recipes for beginners that had never done anything like this before, because this is a pretty simple recipe. And so if you like chicken legs and you've got a FOODi DELUXE, you might want to try these. These are really good. Okay, now we're going to get them out of this wrapper first of all. That's a tough little piece of plastic right there until you get in it. That goes around pretty good. Alright, now, froze. Okay, now I've got a Swanson's chicken broth here. I've got a cup and a half here in my easy for you to say, Pyrex measuring cup. And I'm going to pour it down in the FOODi over here. Alright, now I'm going to move the camera over here so you can see what we're doing. Now if you notice, I've got my rack in here. This came with the FOODi DELUXE, and that's a nice rack if you like racks. Oh no. Now see, this is the bad part. See, that's stuck to that chicken. And I don't really want to put it in that pot, so I'm going to see if I can soak it off real quick. Usually they just come right off, not that one. Okay, that wasn't any problem. Just run a little water on it and it'll come right off of there. And so now we're going to lay this whole blob right down here on this little wire rack. And so now, let me move the camera so you can see. Now we're going to put the pressure lid on. We're going to line your arrows up here and turn it clockwise so it stops. Make sure that your ring is in here good, your sealing ring is in there good. Because if it's pulled up, it won't seal. Okay, line them up, turn it clockwise. Make sure your valve back here is turned to seal, not vent, but seal. Alright, now you come over here and you turn on your power. And you go over here and you turn it to the left till it hits high pressure. And it's on 10 minutes. We don't want 10 minutes, that's too much. So we're going to bring it down to 5 minutes, and we'll hit the start button. And I know you're saying that chicken's not going to be done in 5 minutes, and you're absolutely right, it's not. But it's going to be thawed up enough where we can get it out and put some seasoning and such on it, and get it ready to air fry. So we'll be back when everything gets going. Okay, now it's been about 11 minutes since I hit that start button on there, so this button should be coming up pretty quick now. So it's making a noise, a little steam's coming up, it's jumping around a little bit. And so while we're waiting for it, if y'all can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you folks that watches our videos. It means so much to us, and that's in all seriousness. And if you get a chance, check out our links down below. You might like something from Amazon. That's my commercial for today. I'll be back in a few minutes when that button gets ready to pop up. Alright, there it came. Now it took 15 minutes for that button to pop up. I looked right at it, about 14 and 30 or 40 seconds. So now, you move back over here and you see those little lights are still chasing each other around. They're starting to count down the minutes yet. That takes about another minute, minute and a half. Okay, and there it started to take about less than a minute and a half. So there it goes, counting down that 5 minutes. So we'll be back in about 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Okay, now as you can see, we're down to 19 seconds on this 5-minute cook here. So I'm not going to let them have any natural release. I'm going to go ahead and just release it all at one time as soon as it gets down to 0, because I'm going to do something else with them. So, and by the way, don't never touch this little metal ring up there, because that gets hot. Alright, now let's move back over here so you can see what I'm fixing to do. Now once I hit this valve, you can't hear a word I say, so I'll just stop talking. Okay, I think that pin's getting ready to drop now, because it's only took it 2 minutes and 7 seconds so far, and it's fixing to fall. There it goes. So now, when you lift this lid up, make sure you turn it away from your face and turn it upside down, because if you don't, you'll have water all over your floor, and then somebody's going to have to clean it up, and whoever cleans it up is not going to be happy. So if you want everybody to stay happy, turn it upside down and take it to your sink. Now, it looks like a regular pressure cooking chicken, don't it? Well, we don't want it to look like that, so now we're going to take it out. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is take this pot out and empty this liquid out of it. And let me tell you now, this pot is hot and it retains its heat for a long time. So make sure you put something on before you try to pick it up, because it stays hot for a while. I'm going to put it there and then pour it right in this bowl. Now I'll set it right back down in the cooker here. Alright, now ready to move on to something else. Okay, now unlike the pot, this wire rack here cools off pretty quick, and I've not had the camera off but just a second or two, so it just cools right on down so you can handle it without any problem, which is good. So now I'm going to get this chicken in this bowl here. Make sure they're all separated. I want to take my Evo oil sprayer here. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on. And then I don't know how to tell you how much this stuff I use. You just have to watch how I just shake it on until it looks good to me. That's the only way I know about how to tell you to do it. I mean, I could put a spoonful in a little glass over here, and a spoonful of this in a little glass, and mix it up. But then, would you use it all? I don't know. Or would that be enough? I don't know. So I just shake it on there so it looks the way it's supposed to. Then I put some LAWRY'S seasoning salt on there. Now you shake them up like this till you find spots that don't have anything on it, you know. And so now, put a little bit more oil on them. Not a lot, you know, just enough to make the seasoning hold. Alright. A little more seasoned salt from LAWRY'S. This is a good combination. If you hadn't ever tried this combination, you need to try it one time. But we're going to do a whole lot more to this chicken that you can try. Alright, it's looking almost good enough to eat right now. But it's not done. So hold on, we'll get something else done. Now a lot of people like to stick their hand down in there and just go ahead and get that stuff out, and if that's the way you like to do it, that's fine. I just don't like to be handling it that much, and I really don't like handling poultry. So now, put it back on this rack. Okay, now I'm going to put this back down in the Ninja FOODi here. Being very careful not to touch that pot because it's going to burn you if you do. Okay, now I'm going to take this rack with these 3 legs on it and put it right here. And then I'm going to come over here and take this stackable rack and put it right down there on top of it if I can figure out how to do it without burning myself. There it goes. I told you not to touch that pot. It's hot. And so, now, this is the first time I've ever tried this, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. I usually do these in the crisper basket over there, but today, since I had this rack and I had those 5 legs like that, and I want to sort of keep them separated, so I'm going to give it a try. If it doesn't work out, I'll be sure to let you know. I'll show you if it don't. Okay, now I'm going to shut the lid and turn on the power and put it over here on air crisp, and we'll leave it at 390 and we'll leave it at 20 minutes. If I put this chicken in there just raw, I would set it, if it was thawed out, I would set it for 22 minutes at 390. But since this has already been heated up by the pressure cooker, I'm just going to put it at 20, and then we'll hit the start button, and there it goes. Now we're going to take a look at it in a couple minutes because we're not going to just let that just willy-nilly cook in there because it might burn it to a crisp. We'll see. We'll be back. Alright, now they've been cooking for 9 minutes. Let's take the top up for a second and see just how they look on the thermometer here. I'll tell you what, they're looking good. I'm going to tell you right now, they're getting close already. And the bottom one's about the same temperature as the top one, about 140. So, we'll keep on letting them go for a few more minutes, but I'm not going to let them go that full 20 though. But we'll be back in a minute. Alright, it's down to 7 minutes almost, so let's take another look real quick. Now, they're looking good. Can't hardly wait now. Let me check that temperature. I don't want to overcook them. I don't want to dry them out. You know, just they're looking delicious, aren't they? Well, we still got a ways to go with them yet. Yeah, it's up there around 170. Look there, the bottom of them just as brown as the top of them are. All right, let me shut this door. I'm gonna let them go for 2 more minutes. We'll let them go to 5 minutes. When it has 5 minutes, I'm going to take them out. Now you need to, when you're doing this, you need to check your temperature because you may have bigger legs or smaller legs than I do, you know. And so if they're a different size, you know, they're going to cook at a different time. So make sure you have some kind of thermometer you can stick in them, you know, to just check the temperature of them. Okay, and that's down to 5 minutes and 10 seconds. So, like I said, when it hits that 5 minute mark, I'm going to take that top up and pull them out. And there it goes. Oh yeah. I'm going to turn the power off. And I want to turn it around a little bit better so I can get a hold of this thing better, because this is not a time to make a mistake because that stuff is hot, hot, hot. So let's move over here and you'll be right there when I get over here with them. Wow, those look good, don't they? Those look super good right there. Now, I'm going to take them, I'm going to take these 2 right here and put right down in this, just like that. Yeah, got a little stickage there, that don't usually happen. Well, I'll eat that. I ain't going to let that get away. And the next thing I'm going to do, let me move some of this stuff out of my way. Now, Kay loves this barbecue sauce from Smithfield. We get it from Wake Forest. at the Smithfield barbecue house. And so do this just a little bit like that. Ooh, see how red and pretty it is. Now we'll put the top on like this. And we'll go do it like that. Right now, take them back out. Oh, look at that. Isn't that some beautiful stuff right there? That's art. That's artwork right there. Alright, now we'll go set them on this plate. Okay, now we'll clean this out so I can put something else in it. Now we'll take these two right here and put back in this container. Move this back out of my way again. It's cool now. See, it doesn't take it long. Just a minute or two. Now I'm going to take some of this Cholula hot sauce and put on mine. That's not really that hot. I'm just a lightweight when it comes to hot sauce. I got some Franks back there, but I ain't that brave this late in the afternoon. Maybe early in the morning I might be, not just late in the afternoon. Alright, now put the top back on. Do them the same way. Hey, how about that? That's some good looking legs right there, isn't it? I'm going to do away with this one right now. Now, I'm going to tell you, that's some good looking or good tasting chicken legs right here. They're really delicious. Cooked just right. I'm still hot. Now that I'm going to talk about 45 minutes, including my mistakes where I stopped the camera and went and had to do something else because I messed something up. But it was only about 45 minutes and I was froze hard as a rock when I laid them on this counter. So this is another good one for beginners because this is a real easy, good recipe. You know, and you can use what kind of barbecue sauce or hot sauce you want to on there, you know. Like I said, I got some Franks in there. If my buddies was over here, they'd have to have the Franks, you know. So, but anyway, that's about it for this little video. Thank you very much for watching. I sure do appreciate it. And come back and see us as soon as you can. Watch more of our videos. And till next time, make sure you wash your hands and stay away from everybody. Stay home with me and watch our videos. Goodbye now. Have a good day.